Here we go, guys. This is our first project, this 1966 duo boat. So guys, just want to give an update on where we are. And I went ahead and took all the masking off, but there's the graphics on the front. And then I'll let you see the ones in the back. So yeah, so that's how it turned out in the back. Overall, pretty good. Alright guys, so we're out here on an early Sunday morning getting ready to take the boat out for the first time since I redid it. And so here we go. Just give you guys a little walk around, see what it looks like now. So we're at the boat launch, all set and ready to go. And we're gonna put it on the water for the first time. So hopefully we'll capture a little fun out on the water today, and I'll be able to share that with you guys. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update. Here we go, and we're gonna go ahead and get lunch. I want to give you guys a little bit more tour of the boat here. It's probably dirty because I wasn't planning on doing real fishing today, but actually the fishing was pretty good. There go the boat, guys. You see all those gauge clusters there. They worked out pretty well. The steering wheel looks really nice. As you see, the boat on the back got a little dirt on there for I had to put the anchor up or whatever, but there she goes. That's the inside of it, guys. The seats turned out very well, very comfortable, very nice day to be out of. So there's the tour of the boat, guys, the finished product, and then next